Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
This guide shows how to sync Outlook calendar with your iPhone step by step. You will need your Outlook email and password ready for account setup. Confirm your iPhone runs iOS 15 or later for newest sync features. Decide whether you will use Exchange, IMAP, or the Outlook app as your sync method. Exchange Sync supports email, contacts, and calendar in real time. IMAP only syncs mail, so you will need a separate calendar setup. The Outlook app can sync everything with a single sign-in. Open Settings on your iPhone and choose Calendar, then Accounts to add a new account. Tap Add Account and select Exchange for Office 365 or work accounts. Enter your Outlook email and password and tap Next to continue. When prompted, allow the device to configure settings automatically or enter Server Outlook. Office 365. Com manually. Toggle calendars on to enable calendar sync and then save the account. Wait approximately 15 minutes for the initial sync to complete and for events to appear. If events do not appear, install the free Microsoft Outlook app from the App Store and sign in with your Outlook account. Open the app and go to Settings, then Accounts to ensure calendar sync is enabled for your account. The app syncs faster and supports shared calendars and booking features. If events are missing, toggle calendar off and on in iPhone settings, then force quit the app before reopening. For shared calendars, you must accept invitations inside the Outlook app to view events. Finally, verify network access and update iOS and app versions if sync fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.